How to clean the Magnaclean Professional 2. Turn off the boiler. Close the isolation valves. Open the air vent on the lid using a radiator key. If you are going to add inhibitor to the heating system, put a bucket below the canister to catch any water. Open the drain valve at the bottom of the canister to remove the water. Close the air vent. Open the lid using the big plastic spanner. Lift out the filter from the canister. Remove the magnet from the sheath. Clean off the sludge. Insert the magnet into the sheath. Close the drain valve. Then use the small plastic spanner to secure it. If you are adding inhibitor, pour it into the canister. Insert the filter into the canister. Hand tighten the lid. Then use the big plastic spanner to secure it. Open the isolation valves. Turn on the boiler. Bleed the air vent using a radiator key. Your Magnaclean filter is now clean.